Hi everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to share Spotify song on Instagram. So first thing is you open the Spotify and then get logged in into the account of yours. Now once you have been logged in into the Spotify account, what you need to do over here is play a certain song that you want to share on Instagram. So I'm just gonna tap open or play a random song from Spotify. So this is the song that I'm currently playing. For you to share this song on Spotify, you need to tap on the share icon over here at the right side of your screen. Tap that. With the share icon, you will have the option to share it to different social media platforms. You also have the option to tap on edit and choose the colors for how you want to share it on your Instagram as the background. So if you tap on colors, you will be able to change it different. I'm just gonna go with the black one. From the social media options that are available below, you need to choose the Instagram. So there's two ways how you can share this. You can directly share this to friends on your Instagram as direct message, or you can put this on your Instagram story. I'm gonna go with the story option. Tap on story. Now you can make the edits over here, like if you want to use filter, resize it, add some text, or tag someone. Once all that is done, you tap on your story, and with that story will be posted on your Instagram. So this is how you can share Spotify song on Instagram. Likewise, if you want to share it to the friend, you can tap on message, and from there you will be able to send a particular person direct message of Instagram. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.